Hello everyone. Let's look at the three ways we can save a file to SharePoint. The first way you can do it is to open a new file straight out of the desktop, do some work in it, go to File, Save As, and then click on Sites, and you'll see the SharePoint logo. Choose the site you want to save it to. Click on Documents to save it in the document section of the site, and then you can choose any of the folders in there. In this case, I'm just going to save it to the root. It'll take a second to upload. You'll notice that autosave feature in the top left corner automatically turns on. That means any changes you make to this file will automatically be saved in SharePoint. They'll be uploaded in SharePoint, even if you're working in the desktop application. Let's go over to that SharePoint site. File's not here yet, but if I refresh the page, I'll see my file in SharePoint. Let's look at the second way to do it. So let's go to the actual Documents section directly. Every SharePoint site that you're working in should have a Documents section like that. Click the New button and then choose the type of file you want to create. It'll pop it open in another tab in the web app version. So in this case, it's the web version of Excel. Do some work, and then it automatically saves it. You can see here in the top left it says Saved. You can change the title of the file here. So test2, and then all you have to do is just click away. And now the file name is changed and it's saved again. Let's close this, and now I should see, if I refresh, I should see the new. There we go. So now I've got both of those files. So that's two ways of getting a file into SharePoint. The third way, you can work in a file on the desktop. You can save it locally. So in this case, I'll just save it to my Downloads folder, test3. And then you can navigate to the saved location and drag the file from File Explorer into SharePoint. And you'll see this uploading item spinning wheel for a second, depending on how large the file is. And now I can see that that test3 file is in here as well. And if I refresh, it'll probably sort correctly. So there we go. So those are three ways you can get files into SharePoint. There are even more ways, which may be covered in a subsequent video, but just to get everyone started, this should be sufficient. So let us know if you have any questions, and hopefully this helps. Thanks.